Hi, this is Patty. Welcome back to our training videos. Today we are in the basic elements and we are going through the element for the video. This video is a little bit different in comparison to the YouTube video in that this uses MP4 and WEBM videos. Those are most widely accepted through the browsers. So I'm just going to click on this video and you'll notice that we have a catalog that opens up just like our image catalog. From here, you're in your own catalog and you can upload videos right from your own computer. So if you have an MP4 you want to load up, just take it from your computer and accept it into your catalog. Company videos would be possibly from your administrator if you are a school, a university, or a business that has specific videos that they want to use. They would upload them here. System videos would be videos that we would supply per your request. Pexels, again, is your royalty-free and free-to-use website for videos. So you can open this up and you can actually search for specific topics that you would like to see and then just download that video to your catalog. I'm going to go back to my videos and I'm going to choose this ocean video right here. And I'm going to double click on it and you'll see that it automatically goes full screen for me. So I can use this as a background and I can put content or other pictures on here. It can just be even used as a welcome page, nice and soothing. You can also double click again and decrease the size. And you can use your video as a more focused video and then develop your content around that video. So you can use it either way. On the left-hand side, you're going to notice it says start playing at certain seconds. If I draw your eye over to the clock down here, it says it's 21 seconds long. So if I wanted to start this at 5 seconds, you'll notice down here that my clock goes to 5 seconds out of 21. So it's going to start at the 5-second mark. I can also start this and end this at the 15-second mark, so it will only play so much. So if I play this video, it's only going to play for 10 seconds instead of the full 21. Now, if you wanted to play the entirety, don't set any options here at all. Notice on the bottom, let's get rid of that one. On the bottom here, video determines this page's playback duration. If you want this video to play its entirety and only play it once each time the slide comes up, it will play the full 21 seconds. By check marking this, you do not have to set the duration time for this video in the playlist. It will set it for you, which is really nice and convenient. You'll also notice you can have this play once from the beginning or continue playing. So if I want this video to continually play, all I need to do is check the continue playing. I use this in the instance of using it as a template background page for many different slides. That way, this video is not going to stop and start every single time a slide opens up. It's just going to be a continual seamless play the whole time. On the left-hand side, you're also going to notice we have a volume. This volume the volume for this video is actually regulated here on this app. It is, if you don't set it here, you're not going to hear it on your TV. So set it up as high as you want it to go and then regulate the sound off of your videos from your TV remote. You can add animation on here. I really just figured this has got a lot of movement. We don't need extra movement, so I don't do anything with the animation. So that is how you use your video app in your basic element. So stay tuned for additional tutorials.